One kettlebell squat tip that changed everything and allowed me to do consistent squats without knee pain, hip pain, or back pain. And today I'm gonna show you what that one tip is so you can get stronger legs, stronger abs, stronger glutes, and a stronger total body by doing the kettlebell squat and do so without that knee pain. All right, today we're gonna go over that one tip. What is that? It is keeping your knees in. And the tip is going to be how do you do that, right? So what you're gonna be doing with the kettlebell squat is you're going to make sure your feet are, of course, about 15 degrees out. And as you come down, you're pulling yourself down with your legs, okay? To prevent your knees from bowing in and actually causing knee pain, here's my tip here. It's corkscrewing your heels and you're driving your heels towards each other, all right? So you're going to pretend like you're trying to screw your heels together. That's going to activate your outside of your thighs here. It's your Vastus Lateralis, one of your quad muscles. That's going to keep your knees outward, right? Lined up over your ankle instead of bowed in coming up. Okay, I see a lot of people doing squats where their knees are coming in. That causes knee pain and knee issues. So what you want to do is keep those knees out. How do you do that? Well, this one tip right here, okay? So as you pull yourself down, okay, chest is up, you have your kettlebell right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you. You get that bell up, hypo catch it. As you pull down, okay, abs engaged. Right at the bottom, before you come up, you're gonna drive your heels together and you're gonna keep those, you know you're doing it right when your outside of your thighs are activated. You can feel your outside quad muscles contracting, all right? Your knees are gonna drive out. So it looks like this. As you drive out, you'll feel that engaging, okay? Come down, knees drive out, you drive up. All right, just like that. Every time you do those reps and you pull yourself down, you drive your knees out, just like that. So remember, when you're doing those, you're gonna also feel your Vastus medialis, the inside quad muscle here, activating. Everything's engaged, but the main muscle group that you're gonna feel is this outside quad muscle, your Vastus lateralis, your lateral quad muscle right out here, up down your IT bound outside of your leg, and you'll feel your knees are outward, okay? Especially if you've been doing squats and your knees bow in like that, you're not gonna have that anymore because you're keeping your knees outward and tracked over the toe and the ankle as they should be, okay? So that's that one tip that's gonna help you do squats consistently, safely, and eliminate that knee pain, okay? And if you're doing a goblet squat, you're going to, of course, any kettlebell squat, bells in front of you, you're gonna be activating your core, okay? Your chest is gonna be upright because otherwise you're gonna fall forward, okay? That's one of the great things about doing kettlebell squats is you can do them consistently and you can do them while training your core and abs as well. So this tip applies to both the goblet squat, okay? Just like I just showed you, pulling down, powering it up strong. It also applies to the one arm kettlebell front squat, all right? And it also applies to the double kettlebell front squat. If you're gonna be doing those, okay, it applies to that one as well. It's the same thing, you want that same movement. It's the same pattern. Okay, knees driving out, corkscrewing those heels in, okay? Just like this, so the double squat, it's the same thing. Down, and then drive up. As you bang up your whoop. So that is the kettlebell. That's the one kettlebell tip that changed everything for me and allowed me to continue to do kettlebell goblet squats, kettlebell one arm front squats, double front squats, while eliminating that knee pain, getting stronger abs, stronger glutes, and a stronger total body while not having that knee pain, because once those knees are tracked over the toes and you do the right technique where you're doing the squat, you have solid technique, you're just gonna get stronger legs, you're gonna get stronger stabilizers around the knee, all the muscles around the knee that support the knee, and you do it safely by keeping those knees tracked and lined up the way they're supposed to be. Okay, that's the one tip, one kettlebell squat tip that changed everything for me, and that's corkscrewing your heels inward, okay? So start to apply that to your training routine. Again, you're setting up by down, you're trying to drive your heels together, and you stand up tall, okay? You know it's working because the outside of your quads, okay, are gonna activate, and your knees, instead of coming in off the, they're gonna stay straight where they're supposed to be. You're gonna feel a strong squat upward, all right? So practice this exercise. Practice corkscrewing your heels in. If you have any questions or coaching, you need coaching, comment below and I'll help you out with that. And if you want a full body kettlebell workout that you can apply once you get this down, apply the squat, kettlebell squat 2, and a number of other kettlebell exercises. I have a full 10-minute, full body, quick, free workout. You can grab comment KB10 in the comments. I'll shoot that over to you. So you can start applying the goblet squat, the swing, all the different exercises for the kettlebell in as little as 10 minutes. So you never have an excuse. You can always get your workout in. 1 bell, 10 minutes, space to train, you can get it done. So comment KB10 if you want that full body workout. Otherwise, thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching this video. Start applying this 1 tip for the kettlebell squat that changed everything for me. Corkscrewing those heels in to your squats and enjoy the many benefits and the pain-free knees. That's what it's all about. All right, otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Train strong, get after it. Have an awesome day, and hey, enjoy the process. Train strong.